But now the most interesting part, which everyone would be thinking of, is what kind of strategies work in the market, or how the strategies would have worked in the past pandemics, right? So it's more interest which we have, right? So one of the key ways in which people have started investing is through factors. So factors are basically a known source of return. For example, momentum is one of the factor, which simply says if anything rises for a year, then it will continue to rise. And similarly, there are different factors. So let us understand the performance of this factor during COVID-19. So as you can see, I have just created a table which is showing you the monthly performance of different factors. So the first is low volatility factor, which is investing in stocks with low volatility, which is typically beta less than 1. Second is momentum factor. Third is high dividend or value factor. Fourth is the small cap factor. Small cap factor is investing in small cap companies. These are driven by market capitalization. So, and the last is the overall market returns. So the overall market returns is minus 19% during this 3 months. But one trend which is coming out is momentum on a relative basis has outperformed the market, and so is low volatility strategy. But the high dividend, which is the value investing, and small cap has underperformed the broader market. Okay, so it's very difficult to answer just like this. So let's look at how the things would have played out in past pandemics. So we'll again compare with World War I and Spanish flu. So the same trend which is seen again out here. So the markets are highlighted in this black color, and the momentum is in this gray color. So as you can see, it's almost close to market or slightly above the market, and the small caps are very much below this black line, which is indicating underperformance during this correction phase. But what has happened during the recovery phase is the small cap has outperformed the markets and all other kind of investing, and the momentum and low volatility stock during the recovery phase have underperformed the market. So this is during Spanish flu and World War I. And let us so the number of pandemics which has happened in say last 100 years are very few. So we'll also consider various market correction which happened say in past, which is from 1873 to 1918, which is pre 1926 period. So there were a lot of panics which also happened, not necessarily pandemics, but many things like banking crisis of 1907 and something of that sort. So again, the same trend is repeated here, which is market is falling around 20 to 25%. Low vol and momentum are not falling by the same amount during the correction phase, and in the recovery also is not that much in the low volatility and momentum. But the small cap are falling more during correction and also are rising more in the recovery phase. And low volatility plus is the combination of momentum and low volatility factor, which you can see.